China has been touting the success of its COVID-19 vaccines at home and abroad, luring countries to buy Sinovac and Sinopharm, which are its leading vaccines. However, recent deaths and the low protection rate of Chinese-made vaccines revealed by clinical trials and real-life cases has been casting doubt on this success. As of April 2021, 14 deaths have been reported in Hong Kong after vaccination with Sinovac, while another 13 developed facial paralysis. Yet in mainland China, where over 100 million people have received the vaccine, no adverse reactions have been reported by state-run media. A study by the University of Chile found that a single dose of Sinovac is only 3% protective in the 28 days between the first and second doses, which means that the first dose almost has no effect. And people who received the first dose are as vulnerable as people who have not. After the second dose, the efficacy rate rises to just 56.5%. Instituto Butantan in Brazil also published results of the Sinovac Phase 3 clinical study on April 11, showing that it only had an efficacy rate of 50.7%, which corroborates with the Chilean study. Moreover, a number of people have gotten reinfected after they were vaccinated with Chinese-made vaccines. In Chile, Archbishop Celestino Aos and Auxiliary Bishop Alberto Lorenzelli of Santiago tested positive for the virus after receiving their second dose of Sinovac on March 11. Pakistan's Prime Minister Imran Khan and President Arif Alvi were also diagnosed with COVID after receiving the Sinopharm vaccine. Earlier in April, a total of 126 members of the Philippine Presidential Security Corps (PSC) tested positive for the virus, and all 126 PSC members were given smuggled Sinopharm vaccine as early as September 2020. Ironically, China News cited the illegal sale in December 2020 to tout the popularity of Chinese-made COVID-19 vaccines. Shortly after Philippines' announcement of PSC infections, China News removed its report. What do you think about the safety of Chinese-made vaccines? Let us know in the comments below.